Hi everyone, welcome back to another episode of Webtech Tutorial. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to delete your TikTok account. Keep watching the video till the end to learn how and subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you'll never miss another update from us. If you are a TikTok user and you'd want to get rid of your TikTok account, then follow the instructions. Tap open your TikTok application first and log into your account. From your home screen, tap on the Me button in the bottom right corner, and from your profile page, tap on the three dots at the upper right. This will take you to your settings and privacy page. Tap Manage Account at the top of the screen and select Delete Account at the bottom of the screen. Now tap on Continue on the next page. To delete your account, you'll need to enter your password to confirm that this account belongs to you. After typing in your password, tap Delete Account. From the pop-up, select Delete. And with this, you have successfully deleted your TikTok account in no time. That is how you can do it. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Comment down below in the comment box if you have a question or a feedback for us. I'll soon be back with more tutorial episodes. Goodbye till then.